Gentlemen, are you tired of feeling sluggish, unmotivated, and lacking in energy? Do you want to feel like a superhero again? Well, today is your lucky day because we are going to teach you how to boost your testosterone levels naturally. Testosterone is an essential hormone in your body, especially for men. It plays a critical role in maintaining muscle mass, bone density, sex drives, among so many other things. Unfortunately, as men age, the testosterone levels tend to decline, which can lead to a variety of physical and mental health issues. But don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we will explore 5 proven methods for increasing testosterone levels backed by scientific research. We will also provide you with tips and tricks on how to incorporate these methods into your daily routine. So if you're ready to feel like a superhero again, join us as we explore these natural ways to boost your testosterone levels and improve your overall health. Stick around until the end for a special surprise that will leave you feeling motivated and ready to conquer the world. Tip number 1. Exercise regularly. I know it sounds obvious, but who would have thought that hitting the gym could make you feel like a superhero? When you work out, especially by lifting weights, your body produces more testosterone to help you build and repair those muscle tissues. This not only helps you increase your muscle mass and strength, but also boosts your testosterone levels. In fact, a study published in Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that resistance training for 4 weeks increased testosterone levels in young men by 17%. So if you want to feel like a Superman, it is time to hit the gym and lift some weights. Second, get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for your overall health and is no different when it comes to testosterone production. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, producing more hormones like testosterone to help rebuild and regenerate tissues. This is why getting enough sleep is so important for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. A study published in Journal of American Medical Association found that men who slept for 5 hours or less per night had significantly lower testosterone levels compared to those who slept for 8 hours. So if you want to keep your testosterone levels in check, then make sure to get enough shut-eye. Third, reduce stress. Stress can be a real mood killer, not to mention a testosterone killer. When you're stressed, your body produces more cholesterol, a hormone that can interfere with testosterone production. This is why finding ways to reduce stress is so important for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Whether it's through meditation, deep breathing, or yoga, finding ways to chillax can help you increase your testosterone levels. A study published in Journal of Endocrinology found that participants who practiced yoga for 12 weeks had significantly higher testosterone levels compared to those who did not. So take a deep breath, find your inner zen, and keep those cortisol levels at bay. Hey there, before we move on to the next step, would you kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up? It would really help spread the word and reach more people. Thank you so much. Number 4, eat a healthy diet. You are what you eat, and this is especially true when it comes to testosterone production. Eating a healthy diet that includes plenty of protein, healthy fats, and veggies can help increase your testosterone levels. Protein is essential for building muscles, which can help to increase your testosterone production. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts and avocados, are important for hormone production. Veggies contain important nutrients like vitamins and minerals that are necessary for overall health. A study published found that men who followed a low-fat, high-fiber diet had significantly higher testosterone levels compared to those who did not. So ditch the junk food, load up on fruits and veggies, and keep your testosterone levels on the rise. And last, take supplements. Supplements can be your secret weapon into fighting against low testosterone levels. Certain supplements such as vitamin D and zinc have been shown to increase testosterone levels. As we all know, vitamin D is so important for bone health and can also help to increase your testosterone production. A study published in Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that daily vitamin D supplement can increase testosterone levels in men with low levels. Zinc is also an essential mineral that is involved in so many bodily processes, including hormone production. A study published in Journal of Nutrition found that men who supplemented with zinc for 6 weeks had significantly higher testosterone levels compared to those who did not. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before taking any of these supplements, as they can interact with other medications and may not be appropriate for everybody. Alright guys, here's a quick recap of the 5 steps to increase testosterone levels naturally. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise, especially resistance training, has been shown to have a positive impact on testosterone production. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise per day, 5 days a week, and include resistance training in your routine. Second, get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for overall health, including testosterone production. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Third, reduce stress. Stress can have a negative impact on testosterone production. Finding ways to reduce stress such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can really help to increase those testosterone levels. Next, eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet that includes plenty of proteins, healthy fats, and veggies can help to increase your testosterone levels. Avoid processed foods and sugar as they can have a negative impact on hormone production. And last, take supplements. Certain supplements such as vitamin D and zinc have been shown to increase testosterone levels. However, it is important to talk to a doctor before taking any supplements as they can interact with other medications. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around. Before you go, I would like to ask you for a little favor. If you enjoyed this video, it would mean the world to me if you could show some love by hitting the like button and dropping a comment down below. Your feedback and recommendation truly matter to me. That's all for this week's video, and I cannot wait to catch you on the next one. Until then, take care and peace out.